Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram loading error or Instagram stuck problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. First, check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram application. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Open Play Store and update your Instagram apps latest version. You make sure your Instagram apps is updated. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Open your Instagram apps. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram loading error problem or Instagram stuck problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.